everybody, welcome to Vlogtober, day number 27. Today is Thursday and I am downstairs getting ready to get me something to eat right now. More than likely, I'm going to just get some leftovers. I don't feel like cooking and heating up something nice and quick and delicious, so that's probably what I'm gonna have for breakfast. The time is 8:50. And yeah, so let's get into this morning's breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner ready. I have this pound of ground beef that's left over from the ground beef I got out of that pack, that tube the other day. I'm gonna use that, and my husband requested spaghetti. So I am going to make him some spaghetti. Okay, I like when I get requests for things, so that's what he wants. That is what we will be having for dinner today. All right, everybody, so here is my breakfast, okay? Who else eats leftovers for breakfast? So I've got the last two little ribs that were left right here, and then I've got me a very small side salad, and this is going to be breakfast. Does anybody else eat leftovers for breakfast? Regardless of how heavy it may be, let me know. Let me know I'm not alone. All right, guys, so I had to take a break from work up at the theater to get me a coffee. I'm so happy they built a Starbucks that's literally 2 blocks over from the theater now. So I am very, very appreciative and thankful for that. So when I want a coffee, I can literally make a run and be back in less than 10 minutes because I'm just leaving the Starbucks parking lot. And before I get off this vlog with you guys, I will already be in the parking lot of the theater. But anyway, I have been lately getting a latte, but I get a sugar-free, an iced sugar-free vanilla latte. Now this one I got a little sweet cream cold foam on top of it, so if you want to remain totally sugar-free, do not get the sweet cream cold foam on top of it. But anyway, it's so yummy. It tastes just like a regular vanilla latte, so it's like you're not missing out on anything at all. The sugar-free is absolutely delicious, so you guys are gonna enjoy it. And there I am. I'm back here at the theater right now, so yay. So I'm gonna get inside and finish up some work, and I'll be chit-chatting with you guys. Give this a try, it's so yummy. Hey everybody, so I've just left the theater and currently I'm on my way to Office Depot to pick up a few binders for myself and my student director. I have a student director this year and she's so excited and she's doing a great job. So I'm going to give her her own little student director binder so that she can be just like me and have pretty much all the things that I have as a director. I want her to feel know just how important she is, so you know, let her have all the things that I have as the director. So I'm gonna go get her her own little binder too. But there's also I remember I told you guys last week that there were like 3 new chicken places in town, and I've been to 2 of them. One of them, no. The other one, Waldo's Chicken, amazing. Okay, I've already been back again since. And right now I'm gonna try this other chicken place because it's right next to Office Depot. It's called Chicken Salad Chick, and it's salads and soups and sandwiches. So I'm going to get me the chicken salad. I looked at their menu online and they have a chicken salad, so it's like a scoop of chicken salad in the middle, and I've made something similar to this at home. It's a scoop of chicken salad in the middle with lettuce, grape tomatoes, and cucumbers, and I'm assuming some sort of dressing. So I'm going to give them a try. I do believe they have a drive-through, so that's really great and convenient, and since I already know what I want, perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving that a try for the first time today, and I will let you guys know how it is. So is there a Chicken Salad Chick in your area? Let me know. I would love to know what you guys get if you do go there. Let me know what's good. So this is gonna be my first time trying it, and again, my plan is to get the chicken salad. Okay, so change of plans. I'm not going to Chicken Salad Chick. I promised Angelina that I would go with her. She's like, Mom, you're trying all of these new places without me. And I told her a few days ago, okay, well, I will not go to Chicken Salad Chick without you. So I'm gonna go with her. So what I'll probably do is go on over back to Waldo's Chicken and try their roasted chicken out. So I'll let you know how Waldo's Chicken, how their roasted chicken is. Okay, so that's what that's the plan right now. Okay, we'll see. Hopefully nothing changes. So I think I'm changing my mind again. I think I love these colors, and they're only like 20 cents more. So I think I'm gonna go with these colors here. So I'm gonna choose these two and let her choose which one she wants. And I'll just take the other. The fire roasted chicken white meat, and for the sides I'll get the tomato cucumber salad, and then let me get a small mac and cheese.
Alright, what else?
And let me just get a cup of ice water, please. And that'll be it. Thank you. Customer service is not the best. These people being greeting better. Okay, everybody, I've got my fire roasted chicken. That's what it's called, fire roasted chicken from Waldo. Let me let you guys see what it looks like. Okay. Then I've got my tomato cucumber salad and a mac and cheese. And I think this is that cheese biscuit thingy. But anyway, I'm going to give this a taste really quickly before I pull off. See what it tastes like. It smells really good. I say my grace too. Oh God, thank you for the two about to receive. Lord God, let it be nourishment. It's in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Alright, give this a taste. You guys see what that looks like. Again, it smells really good. You guys, delicious and juicy. Yeah, really good. Put that up. But I am going to put some salt and pepper. Let me see if it even needs salt and pepper. It's a bad habit I have, adding salt to things and hadn't even tasted it yet. And yeah, it does. A little salt and pepper. Give that a mix. All right, guys. And I'm gonna head up to the school. I'm gonna eat my lunch and head up to the school and get ready for rehearsal.